Okay, we're on week 6 of our Autocad class. We're going to continue part 2 of the hotel suite project today. And so we will be putting interior walls inside our hotel room. So what we'll want to do is you'll want to open up your hotel room. So I'm going to click under Recent Documents and open my hotel room up. And we won't have to load layers. This is what's so great about continuing on drawing. You don't have to load layers. You don't have to change the units. It's all set up when you save it. So, looking at the drawings that I have posted on Blackboard of the interior walls, let's start by putting in the refrigerator, coffee bar here, the closet that houses the heating and air, the closet for clothes, and the separation of between those. So we will start by, we need a 19-foot 6 is where the first wall will start. So if we offset 19-foot 6, enter, click on this line and click enter. Okay, that wall needs to be 3 foot 5 1/4 long. So we're going to offset again, 3 foot 5 -1/4, enter. Click this line and go down. Okay, new command, the extend command. The extend command is under trim. So if you click there, the little down arrow, here's extend, or EX. And if you read the command line, it says select objects or select them all. You're going to select the object you want to extend to. I want to extend to this line, so I'm going to click it first and hit enter. And then click the line you want to extend. See it go, if you see the preview, it goes down, enter. Okay. We're going to offset, the wall thickness is 6, so offset 6, enter. Click this and go to the right, enter. And then we can use fillet, so fillet with a radius of 0. So if you have something other than 0, you would put R, enter, change it to 0. And then it will come back to select first object. So I'm going to select here in the middle, click, go to the left, enter, click, go to the right. Alright, in floor plans, correct AutoCAD, you'll want to trim out where this wall meets the exterior wall. So we're going to go up here to trim. I'm going to select everything so I don't have to think about it. Hit enter and then click the line I want to get rid of. Enter. That is correct AutoCAD drawing. Alright. Our closet, or the area where the heated air unit stays, is 2 foot, so offset 2 feet, this line. The wall thickness is 6, enter. So offset 6, I got carried away there, 6, enter. The closet is 4 foot 6, so offset 4 foot 6, enter. Then click this line, go to the right, enter, offset 6, enter for the wall thickness. Okay, the depth of the closet, and usually closets are 24 inches deep, but this particular hotel room, it's 1 foot 11. So we're going to offset 1 foot 11 inner, so it's just an inch off. Click this line, go down. The wall thickness is 6 inner, so offset, sorry I did it again, offset 6 inner. Okay, now we get to do some cleanup here. First we're going to do trim, so I'm going to select all of this, like that, enter. I'm going to click or window these two lines off in between our walls. These two lines I'm taking away, and click here and here for right now. I'm going to click this off. Okay. Alright, so starting with this closet here, or this area for the heating unit, I'm going to trim this off. I'm going to draw a line in the middle. Let's change our current layer to AWOL interior. I'm going to offset 12. No, I'm not. I'm going to offset 6 to the left, to the right, erase that line, and I'm going to trim that. Now, let's click on all these lines that we've drawn, and let's make sure that they're on AWOL interior. Again, when you offset something, it offsets the parent layer that it's on, so you don't have to make changes. Okay, so, all right, we have this. If you'll notice, there is a line, an X drawn there. It indicates that it's a place where furniture doesn't go, or something that's boxed in. So we'll go line, click this corner, then this corner, enter. Have to end it because line will continue until you tell it not to. Line, click, click, enter. Okay. Over here, we need to offset this line 1 foot 5 1/4. So offset 1 foot 5 dash 1/4. And then we will fill it. So fill it. And trim. So there's our closet. Excellent. That didn't take us very long. Okay, here is our counter. We will come back to that. All right. Now the bathroom. We're going to offset 12 foot 1, this little line, and then we're going to offset 6 foot 10, this big line. Do fillet. Okay. I'm going to offset 12 foot 5 dash 1/2, this line, and fill it for the bathroom. Okay. Alright, so starting at this area right in here. We need to do that bump out there. Okay, offset 5'6", this line up, and then offset 3 feet, this line in like that, and then we'll do trim. We'll click this off, see I windowed everything, and then we have our bump out there. Okay, this area is 3 foot, so we're going to offset 3 foot. And we're going to draw construction lines down. I think those measurements are off a little bit. Okay, we're going to trim between this. I'm going to erase that. Okay, fill it. Okay, that's corrected now. Okay, so offset 6'3" -1/4. And let's erase that. Let's do our wall thicknesses first. Offset 6. When we do anything, that would be the correct way to do it. Fill it. So see, if you make mistakes, they're easily corrected. Don't want to do that because I'll lose a line. Now I have to go in with trim. So I didn't get all the lines there. Okay. We are going to offset this line right here, 2'7" -3/4, and then 3 foot, and we'll trim this. So I'm going to select everything. Okay. All right, so that has our doorway, closet. Then we need to offset 2 foot -3/4, and offset 6, and then 6 and 6, and then fill it. And trim. I think those measurements are off a little bit. Let's move. And then we're going to do 6, enter. That looks better. Okay, fill it. make corrections. Now we'll draw our line indicating this is a column that has been boxed in the building. All right, that has part 2 completed, and I will see you for week 7. So be sure to save it. So file, save, and then post it on Blackboard. Thanks.